So how do you feel?
The whole evening, I've just sort of gone from quite anxious and sort of, what's going to happen, a bit like nervous. And now I feel really relaxed. I'm really positive, and I feel really, I know it's going to sound silly, but I feel like really grateful. Like just within me, really grateful. I think the EFT has helped me sort of be like, yeah, but this is your body, and your body's doing amazing things. And then like what you see, like, yeah, this is like, you're creating this. You're not just viewing something, you're creating this, however abstract it is. So yeah, but really, I tell you what I feel like. I feel like I've had a massage.
Oh wow,
That's what it
so
feels
cool.
like. I feel like I've had a massage.
A brain massage.
Yeah, and like knots up here and knots in here. I just feel really chilled out.
Oh, that's amazing.
Really chilled out.
Cool.